A cloudy start to the morning, but rain will arrive in earnest as we head into the latter portion of the afternoon, and evening showers around 3 to 4 o'clock, then a steady, moderate rain around 6 o'clock. Rain will be heavy at times as we go into that 10 o'clock hour, and the winds are going to be increasing too, sustained at 20, so gusty winds and rainfall that'll be heavy at times throughout the overnight. Rain showers will then diminish right towards daybreak tomorrow. We get a little bit of a break with some very light rain showers afternoon and evening Thursday into Friday morning, and then it should dry out for good as we head into Saturday. So we will see some showers that will keep going on for the bulk of Friday. Let's talk about the winds gusting to 25-30 miles per hour in the overnight. Tomorrow we'll start off with the gusty winds too, with winds at 20-25 miles per hour and breezy. Rain total is generally about 1 to 3 inches. Some areas locally still could get more. Good 1 to 3 inch rainfall